Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very low mileage 2007 Cadillac DTS Luxury, stock number Z7812X. Only 52,000 miles on this DTS. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Goldmist in color. The DTS is in the large car class. Seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Front and rear park assist for additional safety. Very large trunk. And as I said, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated as well as cooled front seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 52,000 miles. Leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control, automatic transmission, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with compass display, moonroof control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this DTS has a 4.6 liter V8, 275 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles a gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this DTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.